Next up, it's the award for Best Editing in TV. The director might yell cut, but it's the editor who decides where.
And the nominees this evening are?
Zaini Dara, The West's Awake. Mick Mahon, Chaplin, The Waterville Picture. Mick Mahon, Gail Nua Auroch. Brenda Morrissey, Inside the Department.
And the IFTA this evening goes to Brenda Morrissey, Inside the Department. Don't take your award though. We won't keep it.
I feel like a bunny in the headlights of a car. I'm so shocked and surprised to get this award. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the great Adrian McCarthy, who filmed and directed this documentary, and Martha and Rory in Wildfire Films, and Greg Dunn, who is an amazing sound man. And thank you to my mother and my 2 kids, and Joan and Odell. Thank you very much. Have a great night. Thank you.